Assalamu alaikum, dear students. What's up? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today I have stood here to take a class of class 9 and 10. This is Mohitur Rahman, assistant teacher English, Duluthshan Government High School, Meghna Kumilla. English for today, class 8, 9 and 10. Our today's lesson is Zainul Abidin, the greatest artist, Unit 7, Lesson 1. Let us know something about Zainul Abidin. Birthplace Shirazganj, date of birth, birthplace Kishoreganj, date of birth 29 December 1914. In 1938, he graduated with the first position in first class. He attended the Slade School of Arts, London during 1951 to 52. He was titled Shilpacharya, Great Teacher of Art. Dear student, at this stage we will know about some new words. Try to tell the meaning of the word, then follow the picture and match the meaning. Make a sentence with the main word as you wish, but you have to watch the keywords. Female sketches, meaning drawing of female picture. That means female sketches অর্থ হচ্ছে বাংলায় যদি অর্থ করি দুর্ভিক্ষের ছবি। Zainul Abidin was famous for drawing female sketches. Zainul Abidin দুর্ভিক্ষের ছবি এঁকে বিখ্যাত হয়েছিলেন। Sinister, the meaning harmful, injurious. The Bengali meaning is ক্ষতিকর বা আহতজনক। Timid people are afraid of sinister face. Timid শব্দের অর্থ হচ্ছে ভীতু। Timid people are afraid of sinister face. যে কোনো ভীতু মানুষ একটু ভয়ানক চেহারা দেখলে ভয় পেয়ে যায়। Skeletal, the student of science better known about this picture. This is picture of human body which is called skeletal. Frame or structure of body, অর্থাৎ মানব দেহের যে স্ট্রাকচার, যে গঠন কাঠামো, সেটাকে বলা হয় skeletal. The picture shows that skeletal parts of human body. এই ছবিটা মানব দেহের বিভিন্ন অংশকে নির্দেশ করছে। Plight, the meaning of plight is commitment, promise, pledge, undertaking, promising. The Bengali meaning is সংকল্প করা, কোনো বিষয়ে একত্রিত হওয়া, একমত হওয়া। It is our plight to protect addiction. এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের শপথ যে আমরা নেশাগ্রস্তকে অর্থাৎ এডিকশনকে আমরা প্রোটেক্ট করব, প্রতিহত করব। Depict, the meaning of depict is representing by drawing. The Bengali meaning is কোনো কিছু একে বর্ণনা করা। Compassion, the meaning is compassion is sympathy, empathy. The Bengali meaning is সহমত পোষণ করা, কারো প্রতি সহমর্মিতা দেখানো। Charcoal, meaning coal, cinder, burning object. That means Bengali meaning is koila. Milestone, the very important and very tremendous word. Milestone, the Bengali meaning is The meaning is a guide to a destination. The Bengali meaning is mile follow. Look at the series of pictures, work in groups. Dear student, there are few pictures, 1, picture 2, picture 3. At your home you have to describe about the picture. In the class I will not disclose about this. I will go ahead with another topics. So I hope before going to the objective question, that means multiple choice, you have to read out the spaces very carefully, because before going to the passages I have given you the word meaning. This will help you to know the meaning of the passages. Now I will discuss about this MCQ question. First one, the US Ambassador of Bangladesh considers Jainul a great painter, popular painter, master painter, unique painter. Which is the correct answer? Second one, Jainul's art gallery was set up in 1972, 1973, 1974, 1975. Third one, the number of Jainul's artwork preserved in the gallery is 53, 62, 65, 75. Next, the US ambassador commented that the museum is a global wealth, asset, gift, treasure. Number 5, Mazina visited the gallery for 3 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, half an hour. Next, D, listen to the text again and answer the question. Dear student, this is the short question. You have to find out the answer from the text. First one is, where is Jainul's art gallery situated? কোথায় জয়নুলের যে আর্ট গ্যালারি শিল্পকলা সেটা কোথায় অবস্থিত? When did the ambassador visit the gallery? কখন ambassador সেই গ্যালারি অর্থাৎ রাষ্ট্রদূত সেই গ্যালারিটা পরিদর্শন করেছিলেন? Who else were there with the ambassador during his visit? Who else were there with the ambassador? কে কে ছিলেন ambassador সাথে সেই তার পরিদর্শনের সময়? Which artwork of Jainul did ambassador specially mention? Which artworks কোন শিল্পকলা of জাইনুলাবদিনের ambassador specially mentioned? ambassador বিশেষভাবে উল্লেখ করেছিলেন? How did Mazina feel after visiting the gallery? গ্যালারিটা দেখার পর মজিনা কি অনুভব করেছিলেন? Dear student, my class was very short. I didn't take more time because in this class you have to read out the passages very carefully and then you have to find out the answer. Because in the meantime we have given a lot of classes and in every classes we have given the answer, but this class, especially this class, I didn't give any answer because you have to find out. Since you have taken many classes, you have attended many classes, so I think it will be very easier. And this class also we have taken in our real classes. So dear student, no, today I hope you all are well, you will be remain well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and you have to you will stay home safely and you will stay with us in all classes and all teachers. Thank you everybody. Assalamu alaikum.